Hello beauty friends, Happy New Year and welcome to February's Picks of the Month. My name is Kelly and in today's episode we are sharing with you products to get you glowing and radiant for spring. Let's get started! So first up, Innisfree and Toy Story collection. So good news for all of you Toy Story fans out there because Innisfree and Disney have teamed up to launch a whole range of 22 limited edition makeup and skincare treats such as lip balms, hand creams, body lotions and even nail polish, all dressed up in iconic Toy Story characters. And to infinity and beyond is the Buzz Lightyear set! Here we have Innisfree's best-selling green tea seed serum and green tea seed cream. You probably know by now that the green tea extracts come all the way from Jeju and is excellent for skin hydration. Now this set is really good for dry skin as it prevents water loss and the seed oil creates a moisture barrier on the skin, leaving it smooth and supple. At $37, it's really quite a good buy given that the serum's usual retail price is already more than $30. And here is the Beauty Blender in Electric Violet Swill. Now the Beauty Blender in Electric Violet Swill is an amped-up spin on the already vivid shade. You can see that it's on a marbling design, which is really popular in nail art and makeup packaging. So I'm really glad that Beauty Blender has finally caught up with this trend. Now quality-wise, nothing to be picky about. Works well with liquid foundations, BB creams, CC creams, etc. for a flawless finish. It's just that this color somehow reminds me of ice kacang. But yes, purple and white does contrast well with beige, so you can see clearly how clean or how dirty your beauty blender is and if it needs a wash. Get matte, get even with Benefit's new roller liner. So this is Benefit's new roller liner which claims to get matte, get even as it offers precise definition with a natural looking matte finish. Now we know that Benefit is well known for their professional face primer, the Vanity and brown products, and this liquid liner is actually a sister product to Benefit's roller lash which gained mixed reviews. So let's see how it fares. So the Benefit's roller liner comes in two colors, the black and the brown. I'm going to be trying the products on my wrist. Quite a smooth application, I would say. You can see that it creates a smooth, precise line. It also claims that it won't budge, won't bleed, won't smudge. So I'm going to try rubbing it now. Really? You can see that I'm actually applying quite a little bit of strength, but it is really quite long staying. Let's see. It stays! And even now after I rub it, it doesn't really come off. That's pretty amazing, I must say. Next is the SKII Facial Treatment Essence, but with a modern twist. Now this next product needs no introduction, it is the one that can change your destiny. Yes, it is the SKII Facial Treatment Essence but with a modern twist this time in its packaging. Now last year they had the pop art version with the theme Pitera Wonderland featuring colorful designs on the bottle. And this time I must say the design is a lot more chic and playful in this bold, vibrant red bottle. So you can see there's a pink swirl all around the bottle, which is a modern take of the pigtail. So if you feel like giving yourself a treat to usher in the year of the pig, this would be a great idea. And making a shimmery entrance is the YSL Shimmer Rush All Over Makeup Palette. So in this makeup palette, you can see that the packaging is already quite a head turner with a really pretty holographic effect. And inside the gorgeous palette, we have 6 beautiful colors for eyes, lips and cheeks. The 4 shimmering and contrasting eyeshadow shades in a mix of purples, bronze and pearl, and 2 soft rosy pinks for the cheeks and lips. Now I'm a big fan of YSL products, so I can't wait to try this out. So this is how the pink looks. It is not just for the eye, but it also works for your lips. I'm gonna try out gold and see how it looks like. Okay, just a little bit more. Apply the purple on my under eye. So you can see the two sides of my face. The makeup is quite different over this side. I do think that it's a bit more glowy, a bit more radiant than the one that I have on my right side, obviously. Yeah, I would say this is a very good product if you are carrying it around in your bag. It's not patchy, it's easy to blend, and also the skin tones, the colors are flattering for most skin tones and perfect for a fresh spring look. And that's it for our picks of this month. But before we end, we are doing a giveaway of the products shared today. All you have to do is to leave a comment below to tell us which is your favorite product and why, and also like and share this video. And in the meantime, go love yourself and live life large. 恭喜恭喜，新年快乐!
Trust him, he will drop it to you, okay?
Because I'm like Toy Story, right? So like the, just not that one, right? Next we have the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. Alamak.